Welcome to our wildlife comparison series from animals around the globe. Today, we're diving into the fascinating differences between two of the world's most impressive snakes, pythons and anacondas. First, let's talk about their habitats. Pythons are primarily found in Africa, Asia, and Australia, thriving in a variety of environments such as forests, grasslands, marshes, and rocky outcrops. They often stay near water sources like rivers and swamps. On the other hand, anacondas are native to South America, particularly the Amazon basin. They prefer tropical rainforests, swamps, and slow-moving rivers, spending a significant amount of time in the water. Next up, their physical appearance and size. Pythons are known for their length, with species like the reticulated python reaching up to 20 feet or more. They have a more slender build compared to anacondas. Anacondas, particularly the green anaconda, are considered the heaviest snakes in the world. While they might not reach the extreme lengths of some pythons, they can still grow up to 30 feet and are much bulkier, with a girth that far exceeds that of a python. Moving on to their hunting techniques. Both pythons and anacondas are constrictors, meaning they kill their prey by wrapping around it and squeezing until the prey suffocates. However, their prey and hunting grounds differ. Pythons often hunt on land and in trees, preying on mammals, birds, and other reptiles. Anacondas, being more aquatic, hunt in the water, targeting fish, birds, mammals, and even caimans. Reproduction is another area where these snakes differ. Pythons lay eggs. The female python incubates her eggs by coiling around them and using muscle contractions to generate heat. In contrast, anacondas give birth to live young. Female anacondas can give birth to dozens of live offspring at a time, a trait that helps their young survive in the challenging environments of the Amazon. Now, let's discuss their behavior. Pythons are generally more terrestrial and arboreal, meaning they spend a lot of time on the ground and in trees. They are also known for being more solitary. Anacondas are more aquatic, spending most of their time in water. They are also more social during the mating season, when multiple males can be found courting a single female. Their geographic distribution is another point of difference. Pythons are widespread across multiple continents, found in diverse ecosystems from the African savannas to the Australian outback. Anacondas, however, are restricted to South America, with the green anaconda primarily inhabiting the Amazon and Orinoco basins. In terms of conservation status, many python species are threatened by habitat destruction and the illegal pet trade. Conservation efforts are in place to protect them, but challenges remain. Anacondas face threats from habitat loss and hunting, although their remote habitats provide some level of protection. Lastly, let's touch on their cultural significance. Pythons have been revered and feared in various cultures. They appear in folklore, religion, and mythology, often symbolizing power and danger. Anacondas hold a similar place in South American cultures, often featured in legends and stories that highlight their impressive size and strength. In summary, while pythons and anacondas share some similarities as large constrictors, they differ significantly in terms of habitat, physical characteristics, hunting behavior, reproduction, and cultural significance. Both snakes are remarkable in their own right and play crucial roles in their respective ecosystems. Thank you for joining us in exploring the fascinating world of pythons and anacondas.